In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the electric board on AirBuddy. As a first step, remove the silicone grommet. Now use Torx 15 screwdriver to remove the 4 screws. Lift the platform, put it on the side, and now you'll need to cut the heat shrink tubing, which is over the connectors. The best tool to use is a seam ripper, which is typically used in sewing. Cut underneath the heat shrink, but make sure not to damage the connector or the wires. Now we can disconnect the connectors and remove the platform. Put in the new platform in the reverse order. That means take new heat shrink tubes, pull them over the wires, connect the connectors, and apply heat to shrink the heat shrink tubing. Position the heat shrinks so that they cover the connectors. And it's a good idea to use a sheet of paper that you can fold twice to protect the plastic wall of the AirBuddy housing. Set your heat gun to 250 degrees. And apply the heat from all sides so that the heat shrink tubing closely wraps around the wires. Now make sure that the wires go between the tongue on the compressor breather and the body of the compressor. Make sure that you push on the side of the wires so that there is a gap between the wire and the boss, and close. Push by hand and make sure that the hole aligns with the boss so that there is no wire pinch underneath. Take the screws and fasten the platform. You can fasten with hand screwdriver or use a tool. If you use an electric tool, make sure that the torque is set to the lowest torque and then fasten by hand. You can use a wet wipe to make the grommet a bit wet so it slides in a bit easier. Done.